Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lemaine. Welcome back for another mini phonics lesson. Our lesson objective for today is I can decode words with a closed syllable pattern. So we're still working on skill 10. The words are getting a little bit bigger today though. Okay, and I want to make sure that you can still break them apart within their syllables. All right, but the first thing you need to know is, what are my vowels? A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. Break it down, A-E-I-O-U. Okay, and our vowels make short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. What are my short vowel sounds? A, I, and What are my long vowel sounds? A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. Okay, and remember when we're talking about closed syllable, we're talking about short vowel sounds. A, I, All right. You will need a whiteboard, marker, and eraser. Go, pause the video if you need to. Okay, you should have a whiteboard, marker, and eraser. I'm going to spell your first word out for you. Remember, we'll do 3 words, so make sure you have enough room on your board. Okay, so your first word is S-H-U-B-N-A-T-Z-I-M. Make sure your word is spelled correctly. Okay, go ahead and mark your vowels and divide your word. See if you can beat me. Go for it. Okay, you should have noticed that there are 3 vowels this time. So then how many syllables should there be? 3. Okay, this is a bigger word. Let's look at our first syllable. Closed, shub. Closed, gnat. Closed, zim. Whole word, shub, nat, zim. Shub, nat, zim. Okay, next word. Okay, it's going to be another big one. Sorry, I got to get my other marker. Okay, M-I-S-H-T-O-G-D-U-D. Make sure your word is spelled correctly. Mark your vowels, divide your words, see if you can beat me. Go for it. You even got a couple extra seconds because I had to switch markers. Okay, it should look something like this. And if I'm ever going too fast, that is the beauty of video, just pause me, okay? Pause me because I want to make sure that you know how to do this as well, but I don't want to go too slow where you're like, come on, Mrs. LeMay. Oh my goodness, come on, Mrs. LeMay. Okay, I want to keep it, pretty upbeat, but if I'm going too fast for you, pause me, please. Okay, let's look at our first vowel. Oh, well, sorry, there are 3 vowels. 1, 2, 3. They're spaced pretty far apart. That means that there are 3, I can't talk, guys. 3 syllables. I almost said 3 consonants. 3 syllables. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. Closed, mish. Closed, tog. Closed, dud. Now, you might have looked at this one and been like, there are 3 consonants in between these 2 syllables. But I hope you recognize that SH almost always goes together to make the sh sound. So they have to stay together. So we don't want to separate the SH most of the time. There are always going to be exceptions, but most of the time, if you see, so this is called a digraph. SH together makes the sh sound. We don't want to separate them, because then we want it to make the sh sound in the syllable. Okay, so that's why we divided it right there. Okay, let's look at our first one. Mish. Closed, tog. Closed, dud. Whole word, mish, tog, dud. Mish, tog, dud. All right, last word. This one won't be quite as long. I kind of wanted to mix it up a little bit. Okay, your first letter is S. H-R-A-P-F-E-T. Okay, make sure your word is spelled correctly. Mark your vowels, divide your word, go for it. Okay, you should have found 2 vowels, so it is 2 syllables. Broken apart right there. Did you get it right? Did you? Did you? Okay, let's look at our first one. Closed, shrap, closed, fet. Whole word, shrap, fet, shrap, fet. Okay, I would like you to read these words to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read the words to you. Okay, and it's okay to go slow. If you're like, oh my goodness, my tongue just does these weird things and gets all tongue-tied and I cannot do this, just go slow. It's okay. You can say shub, you can say nat, and you can say zim. So say it slowly if it kind of gets you tongue-tied. Shub, nat, zim. Shub, nat, zim. Okay, you don't have to go super fast if you're having trouble. Okay, then, so pause the video to do that. Go. And the last thing we're going to do is fluency. Okay, I'm going to have you read this 2 times to somebody next to you. They're going to read it 2 times to you. Have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.